Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit cinematic videos on mobile using VN Video Editor. So if you want to give your videos that professional, high-budget, movie-like feeling all from your phone, the VN Video Editor is the secret weapon for achieving that stunning cinematic color grading and smooth motion. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos. Now, just start a new project in VN and add your videos, the video that you want to download. For example, I'm going to download this videos right here. Okay, so you can just follow this lots or this color grading. You can just go to the filter menu. Now click on adjust and follow this adjustment. So first, for the exposure, I'm going to increase it to around 19, contrast 4, the brightness also 4. Now for the saturation, increase it to around 28, and the vibrance, I'm going to increase it to around 20. The temperature, I'm going to make it a little bit warm, so let's increase it to around 12. And the vignette 8. For the SSL, you can just use it for the color that you want to highlight. So I'm going to just skip it for now. Let's go to sharpness first, increase it to around 11. And the hue, skip it, and highlight, I'm going to increase it to around 6. And lastly, the shadow, also in 6, like this. If you have more than one clip, you can just click on apply to all. Then this you can also add a filter if you want to. So for example, I'm going to add the L4, adjust the intensity. I'm going to go with 35. Click on the check icon, and that's it. So this will be the final look. So guys, that's how you can get cinematic color grading in VN. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.